Hi guys, Foxbat here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be cooking Oreo mug cake. First ingredient, we're going to have to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Here. Go. Okay, we got the butter in. So next you need 1/4 of chocolate chips, okay. Let me get mad. Okay, we're done with that. Put it in the cup now. Alright, now it's the microwave. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Alright, we got the sugar. How is it good? Oh, it's looking like some eggs. Good so far. Looks good so far. I'm gonna sit down on the chair. Okay. So now we need 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour. What do you do? Ooh, it's a little bit off. Yeah, that's good. Looking. Oh. Mix. Oh. Oh, the flour's gone everywhere. Alrighty, well, it looks pretty good so far. Alright. Oreos. Break it up. Now, there you have it, folks. So good. Alright, now we're gonna make it look like a cake, guys. Yeah. 1 minute 30. Okay, it's on 1 minute 30, guys. Now, put it in. This might be the best thing I've ever made. Oh, that's just God level. I got you. Subscribe, guys, to Foxbat. Peace.